Hello, good evening. I'm back with yet another interesting video. So, at first, I would love to welcome you all back on this particular channel, Eloquent English Enterprise. Thank you so much for your comments, for liking the videos. And now my endeavor is to make the shortest possible videos. So, without wasting any further time of yours, which is very precious, here I begin with my presentation. Okay, so just let me share my screen. Here we go. Yeah. So, welcome aboard my channel. Thank you for being here. It's always an honor to see likes and comments and, the number of views. Though I know exam time and corrections are there, so it's become a little difficult for you guys to keep watching on a regular basis. So, let's see what is there in store for you today. Okay. So, what's in store for us today? Any guesses? Yeah, how would you? So let's see. I'll get the cat out of the bag. Okay, and here we are. So here the cat gets out of the bag and we go to the next screen. So we are going to discuss the superlative degree of adjectives today. There's so many words that we use and every time we keep saying very this, very that. So I sat with the dictionary and I found some very pertinent and very, what I should say, those words which would fit a particular place to the T. Okay, so what are these words? Let's see. Uh, for very, finding better replacements for the word very, like very cold. Okay, then we have very hot. Oh my God. And then we have very sad. Okay, so what are these words? Like, how can very cold, very hot, and very sad be replaced? So here we are. Let's see, very cold, freezing, right? For very cold, we can use the word freezing. For the next one, very hot, sweltering, blazing. The sun was blazing hot. The day was sweltering. Okay. And then very sad, crestfallen, and in the doldrums. Now, crestfallen, I'm sure everybody knows, but why doldrums? Now, doldrums is, it's a part on the equator, in the equatorial regions of the earth, where there's very less of wind, right? So the sailors over there, they find it very difficult to sail, and that's how it's said that they are in the doldrums. So from there, this word has been taken, this term. Okay, in the doldrums, sad part, where the air is also not moving. Okay. So next we have very expensive. Very expensive, yes, we do say. So what's another word for it? It's exorbitant. This particular item is exorbitantly priced. Then very generous, somebody who keeps giving out without any returns is magnanimous. Somebody who's very generous is a magnanimous person. Very respectful. A boy who's very respectful can also be called chivalrous. All right, chivalrous. Chivalry is not always associated with war and battles, right? Then we have very brave, very brave. Fearless, heroic. All right, fearless and heroic are good words for bravery or being very brave. Then very beautiful. So how was Cinderella? Exquisitely beautiful. So it could be alluring and stunning. Of course, gorgeous, pretty, elegant, all these words are already there. But I prefer to select alluring and stunning. Next, we have some more examples. Very shameless. Yes, some people are. So they are brazen, not sorry for what they've done. Very important. What is that? Crucial. It's crucial to pass this exam this year. It's very important. Very insignificant, trivial. Very trivial. Okay, something very small. Very proud. Yes, there are people. It's good to be proud. It's good to carry a sense of pride. But when it gets excessively too much for the others, then you become boastful and egoistic. So that's not good. I know everything. All right. Very humble. There are people who are very humble too. So who are they? They are modest and they are unpretentious. They do things just for their own happiness and not to show off. It's not for show off at all. A few more superlatives. All right. Very hungry. I'm very hungry. So what will I say? I am ravenous. Okay. I want to eat. So ravenous. Very thirsty. It's going to be hot. So how would we feel? Parched. My throat, my lips are parched. Very loud. Something very loud, like the clouds thundering. So it's deafening. The sound is deafening. Next one, very old-fashioned. Somebody or something which is very old-fashioned. What's that? Antiquated. Now, these kinds of typewriters, you can't find them. So they are now antique pieces. They are antiquated. Very tired. After a whole day's work, you're very tired. Fatigued. This is fatigued. You can't even sit, upright. So a few more. Very lengthy, overstretched, extra long, extensive, long drawn out, and ponderous. So before you start giving me these kinds of adjectives for making the video too long, I would rather sign off. So bye-bye. See you soon. I did not want to make it long. So thank you for watching with me. It's always a pleasure to be back with some more interesting videos. So I'll be back with another one. Till then, I'll stop sharing and I'll get back to you. So I hope you liked it. It was a very quick kind of an endeavor. I made it only today, just a few minutes ago. So it's signing off for today. See you too soon. Bye-bye. Take care and have a wonderful week ahead. Today's Tuesday? Yeah, we still have 4 days to go. So another one coming up soon, but I'm not giving any sneak peek. See you. Bye-bye.